Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today, we will be focusing on solving the inequality. Negative 3 is less than 5c minus 1, which is less than or equal to 9. We will walk through each step together to ensure a clear understanding of the process. Let's get started. To solve the inequality minus 3 is less than 5c minus 1, which is less than or equal to 9, we first need to isolate the variable term 5c in the middle part of the inequality. To do this, we will add 1 to all three parts. Adding 1 balances the equation and will help to isolate the term containing the variable c. So we add 1 to minus 3, add 1 to 5c minus 1, and add 1 to 9. Now the inequality looks like this. Minus 3 plus 1 is less than 5c minus 1 plus 1, which is less than or equal to 9 plus 1. First, solve the left side, minus 3 plus 1. By simple arithmetic, minus 3 plus 1 equals minus 2. Next, solve the middle part. The negative 1 and positive 1 cancel each other out, leaving us with 5c. Finally, solve the right side, 9 plus 1. By simple arithmetic, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now the inequality reads minus 2 is less than 5c, which is less than or equal to 10. In interval notation, this is written as the open interval from minus 2/5 to the closed interval at 2. Step 2 to solving this inequality involves isolating the variable c. The current inequality is minus 2 is less than 5c, which is less than or equal to 10. To isolate c, we need to divide all three parts of the inequality by 5 because the variable c is currently multiplied by 5. First, divide minus 2 by 5. The result is minus 2/5. Next, divide 5c by 5. The result is c. Finally, divide 10 by 5. The result is 2. Now the inequality reads minus 2/5 is less than c, which is less than or equal to 2. This means c can be any number greater than minus 2/5 but less than or equal to 2. In interval notation, this is written as the open interval from minus 2/5 to the closed interval at 2. This is the final step, and the solution to the inequality is complete. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.